So first of all, we're going to chop the onion and chop up the red pepper.
Okay. Go on.
Okay. Well, wait. Okay.
Okay, so when you've finished cutting the pepper and peeling and cutting the onion, put an apron on
And then just put it in a pot on some olive oil, and then we'll show you what to do next in a second. So I'm just chopping up the chicken into little cubes. Oh, and tell them to chop up the potatoes as well.
Oh, and you need to chop up the potatoes
Into little pieces.
into little bits. Is it bite-sized pieces again? Throwing potatoes around.
So just chop it up like that, like that, like that, like that.
Okay, so next what you want to do is you want to start mixing in the onion and pepper with some olive oil. On 5.5 heat on your stove. About. Or was that minutes? I don't know. Probably minutes. But
What?
the thing that you set, the number.
What, 5? 5.5?
Yeah.
That's the heat.
That's the heat, yeah. Put it on 5.5 heat. You want to mix it all in with the olive oil. Oh, it smells good. Okay, now the spices you want is some smoked paprika, some normal paprika, some spice mix, and a vegetable stock cube. Okay, so quick recap. What you want is your onion and pepper mix on your stove for 5.5 heat. You want the paprika, the smoked paprika, the spice mix, and the vegetable stock cube ready. And you want the chicken cut up into cubes, and you want your potatoes cut up into I don't know, shapes. Just like cut them up, and use more if you have baby potatoes like us. Okay, so we just want to keep mixing this. Make sure it's all spread around and it's all frying on the stove.
Turn it down a bit. Careful that no little bits fly out like they just did for Max.
Just make sure you get it all around.
Wait, move this so you can actually stand in front of it. Still see it from here. So I've just put everything in a pot and I've covered it with some water.
In
Add
the
in
same
stock
pot.
cube.
In the same pot. Put everything else in the same pot.
Yeah.
Potatoes, chicken, all the spices, stock cube. Oh, and water.
And then go on, mix it around.
Start mixing
Turn
it.
up the heat. And then once it starts simmering, you cover it. Hold the handle, remember. Don't hold the camera, hold the handle. The camera doesn't need to be held if it's on a tripod. Put your hand on there.
Hang on. Then you want to leave it for 15 minutes on 6.5 temperature with the lid on. on your stove. You can add in corn flour if you want to. Yeah. So just add in corn flour if you want to, and put the lid back on. If it's not fully done, you can put it in for a bit extra. We're putting it in for 10 more minutes, so it can finish. Okay, so we finished it and we put it into bowls and we're eating it for lunch now. Hopefully gonna be good.